fix this account might include sensitive content on X. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this account might include sensitive content. Now for this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to x.com. Now you are not able to fix this problem in the X app itself, so you have to log into a web browser. Now go ahead and log into your X account. Once that is done, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, scroll down and find settings and privacy. Then you want to tap on the option of privacy and safety. Now find the option content you see. Here you will find display media that may contain sensitive content option. Make sure you check this box. Once you check this box, you will be able to see all the media that contains sensitive content, and you will no longer receive the error that says this account might include sensitive content. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.